Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, the SHIB price appears to be crossing over the moving average curve, making the market bullish. Moreover, the price seems to move upward, signifying an increasing movement, indicating a stable value for the cryptocurrency. Shiba Inu family, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. We will grow Shiba, please support by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. We are a strong community. The Shiba Inu price analysis reveals that the relative strength index, RSI, score is 48, making SHIB fall in the central neutral region. However, the RSI score follows an upward trend indicating a stable market and dominant buying activity. Shiba Inu price analysis for 1 day. Market volatility decreases. The Shiba Inu price analysis has revealed a bearish market. Moreover, the market's volatility appears to follow a closing trend, making Shiba Inu's price more vulnerable to volatility fluctuations. As a result, the upper limit of the Bollinger's Band is present at 2,779, which serves as the strongest resistance for SHIB. Conversely, the lower limit of the Bollinger's Band exists at 2,303, which acts as the strongest support for SHIB. The SHIB USD price appears to cross under the curve of the moving average, signifying a bearish movement. On the other hand, the price seems to be following an increasing activity, showing signs of a growing market. As a result, the price appears to move toward the moving average, attempting to cross it. A daily candlestick close below the 211 support level will invalidate the bullish thesis for SHIB. Shiba Inu price action over the past 3 months has set up a bottom reversal pattern. A breakout from this setup, although far away, hints at an exponential move to the upside. Shiba Inu price sets up the launchpad. Shiba Inu price action since January 4th has created 2 distinctive valleys known as Adam and Eve. From January 4th to February 9th, SHIB formed a V-shaped valley known as Adam. Following this is a rounded bottom formation referred to as Eve. The Eve is yet to complete and SHIB is hovering around a crucial support area. If SHIB retests the 329 hurdle, the Adam and Eve setup will be complete. In such a case, this formation forecasts a 38% upswing to 454, determined by measuring the depth of the valley and adding it to the breakout point at 329. As mentioned above, SHIB is hovering around 249 and is far from completing the setup. However, since Shiba Inu price is trading inside the 235 to 255 demand zone, the chances of an uptrend are high. Therefore, accumulating now could provide investors with higher gains. If SHIB flips the 329 hurdle into a foothold, it will kickstart a 38% upswing to 454. In total, this move would constitute an 83% gain from the current position. While things are looking up for the dog-themed cryptocurrency, a daily candlestick close below the 211 support level would invalidate the bullish thesis by creating a lower low. This development will favor the bears and open the possibility of a crash to 094. Shiba Inu wasn't affected in any way. Secondly, in line with the boring charts, on-chain volumes have been rather saddening too. Gone are the days when Shiba Inu used to be the talk of the town and the moon used to be the only target it looked at. The moon seems like a lifetime away now. Scary fundamentals. Network growth for Shiba Inu has also been sliding down, according to data from Santiment. This is despite the fact Shiba Inu Metaverse's early access land bid event is set to start on the 9th of April. One of the most interesting and scary parts of Shiba Inu's on-chain fundamentals is its NVT ratio. Santiment calculated the NVT ratio as the daily market capitalization to its daily circulation on the chain, but the logic remains pretty much the same. NVT ratio is essentially a cryptocurrency form of a PE ratio, evaluating its value by transaction volume. Now, NVT ratio for SHIB saw a stratospheric jump despite its humdrum prices. This basically means, despite prices holding on to a range, the denominator in the ratio, transaction volumes, and circulation dipped so massively that the NVT ratio value jumped nearly 430% at press time. So overall it seems that the puppy's bark is nowhere to be heard, despite the army jumping about in excitement. The moon seems like an impossible dream and on-chain fundamentals continue to throw warning signs all over the place. Keeping this coin at an arm's length is probably the best way to go about it. Can Shiba Inu triple in a year? Is it possible for meme token Shiba Inu to triple this year, or will a strong bear market in crypto form? Cryptocurrencies have become quite the rage in this pandemic era. Whether it's a lack of gambling options or simply risk-on sentiment tied to rock-bottom interest rates, aggressive investors have continued to speculate on growth. For those who invested in Shiba Inu, this has certainly been a profitable exercise. Now, Shiba Inu is one of thousands of cryptocurrencies out there. To suggest that investors should have known that this token would go parabolic is silly. There are plenty of other meme tokens that have popped up, many of which have gone to zero. That said, Shiba Inu has shown an impressive ability to continue to surge higher over the past year. Let's dive into whether a triple up could be in order for investors looking for short-term gains. With a growing number of coins for investors to choose from, SHIB's value could be pressured, but the digital token could register more big gains if the broader cryptocurrency market sees another strong bullish run, a resurgence in meme-powered momentum, or increased adoption by investors or businesses. If a dramatic amount of coins were burned, that would also result in the total supply being reduced and would likely result in significant gains for the cryptocurrency's token price. Even after a big pullback from its peak, the SHIB token is still up roughly 42,000% over the last year, and it has an enthusiastic, highly engaged base of supporters. If the token were to bounce back to its peak level, that would work out to gains of 258%. Hitting a market cap of $100 billion might sound pretty mundane compared to a market cap of almost $590 trillion, but it's a lot more realistic and would still mean gains of more than 650% from current pricing levels. Just because the $1 price point seems virtually impossible, that doesn't mean that SHIB can't deliver significant gains from current pricing levels. Investors should simply make decisions with reasonable expectations in mind and understand that it's a high-risk, high-reward cryptocurrency. Shiba Inu whales scoop in more than $8 billion worth of SHIB tokens. Shiba Inu, the second-largest dog-themed coin, continues to see patronage from whale investors. Data from Etherscan shows that over 8.5 billion SHIB tokens were moved in just 2 transactions within a short period today. Whales continue betting on SHIB. Per the data, one transaction was a transfer of around 4.3 billion SHIB by a wallet named MEV.bot to an unknown wallet. The second transaction was 4.2 million SHIB moved between 2 unnamed wallets. Both transactions were worth around $208,165 at the time. Another notable transaction during the day was the transfer of around 2.4 billion SHIB to a Binance wallet. The transactions are a continuation of an established trend among ETH whales. Since last year, when the token came to prominence, SHIB has been among the top 10 holdings of the 1,000 largest Ether wallets according to data on WhaleStats, a tool that tracks the metric. As of today, SHIB is the second largest holding in the category of investors. Their total holdings amount to over $1.5 billion worth of SHIB. SHIB is only surpassed by the native token of the crypto exchange FTX, the eponymously named FTX token. However, it is not uncommon for SHIB to flip FTX token, as it has often done in the past, even as recently as earlier this month. Meanwhile, WhaleStats data also shows that the Shiba Inu smart contract is the most used Ethereum smart contract among the top 500 ETH whales in the last 24 hours. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.